Where am I located inside my body? Understanding the intricacies of human existence, the seat of consciousness inside the brain, exploring the cerebral cortex, processing sensory information, perception and vision, seeing with the brain, interpreting visual information, the brain's role in creating images, the internal perception, everything inside you, understanding brain's interpretation, the metaphorical sense of existence, the influence of others, impact on self, metaphysical interpretations, shaping thoughts and beliefs, earth, reality versus perception, acknowledging external reality, brain's role in processing reality, the composition of self, inside the body, tissues, organs, and systems, the complex network of cells, the essence of being, understanding self, the conscious self defined, shaping factors, experiences, and memories, the intangible self, beyond physical appearance, the abstract nature of consciousness, representing individuality and experiences, the processes, within, awareness and cognition, brain's internal operations, manifestations of neural activity, the invisible self, perception versus tangible bodies versus intangible consciousness, subjective nature of perception, validating reality, evidence of consciousness, first-hand experience and subjectivity, scientific evidence and brain studies, the self beyond thoughts, observer versus thought, interpreting thoughts and consciousness, awareness of the self, locating the observer, residing in consciousness, the concept of conscious residency, emergence from brain's activity, understanding consciousness, complex phenomenon, consciousness as an emergent property, interconnected neural networks. Where am I located inside my body? Understanding the intricacies of human existence. Introduction. Navigating the human body. Understanding one's position within the confines of the human body often leads to intriguing questions about consciousness, perception, and existence. Exploring the depths of these inquiries unveils the complex relationship between the physical body and the intangible self, the seat of consciousness, inside the brain. Exploring the cerebral cortex. The journey to self-awareness begins within the intricate folds of the cerebral cortex, the epicenter of sensory processing, cognitive functions, and consciousness itself. Processing sensory information. Every sensation, thought, and emotion finds its genesis within the vast neural networks of the brain, where sensory inputs are meticulously processed and transformed into conscious experiences. Perception and vision, seeing with the brain, interpreting visual information. The enigmatic process of vision unfolds as photons of light cascade onto retinas, initiating a neural symphony that culminates in the brain's interpretation of the external world. The brain's role in creating images. Intriguingly, the vivid images perceived by the mind are not mere reflections of reality, but intricately crafted illusions meticulously sculpted by the brain's cognitive prowess. The internal perception. Everything inside you. Understanding brain's interpretation. While the objects of perception may reside outside the physical confines of the body, the act of perceiving occurs within the neural sanctum of the brain, blurring the lines between external reality and internal perception. The metaphorical sense of existence. Metaphorically, the essence of every interaction, experience, and influence intertwines with the fabric of one's consciousness, leaving an indelible imprint on the tapestry of the self. The influence of others, impact on self, metaphysical interpretations. In the intricate dance of human interactions, every encounter shapes and molds the contours of one's thoughts, beliefs, and perspectives, imbuing the self with the collective essence of humanity, shaping thoughts and beliefs. Thus, in the kaleidoscope of existence, there exists a symbiotic relationship between the individual and the collective, each influencing and shaping the other in a perpetual dance of consciousness. Earth, reality versus perception. Acknowledging external reality. While the planet Earth exists as an objective reality independent of individual perception, the human experience of it is intricately intertwined with the brain's interpretation of sensory inputs. Brain's role in processing reality. The brain acts as a filter through which the raw data of sensory experience is transmuted into the rich tapestry of human perception, shaping one's understanding of the world. The composition of self. Inside the body, tissues, organs, and systems. Within the physical confines of the body, the self finds expression through the intricate interplay of tissues, organs, and physiological systems, each harmonizing to sustain the miracle of life. The complex network of cells. At the cellular level, the self emerges as a symphony of molecular interactions, orchestrated by the intricate dance of DNA, proteins, and biochemical messengers. The essence of being, understanding self. The conscious self defined. At the core of human existence lies the conscious self, the sentient observer who navigates the labyrinth of thoughts, sensations, and perceptions, shaping factors, experiences, and memories. Shaped by the crucible of experience, memory, and introspection, the conscious self emerges as a unique amalgamation of past, present, and future. The intangible self, beyond physical appearance. The abstract nature of consciousness. Intriguingly, the conscious self defies tangible representation, existing as an ethereal entity beyond the confines of physical appearance, representing individuality and experiences. Instead, it finds expression through the rich tapestry of thoughts, emotions, and experiences that collectively define the essence of individuality. The processes within. Awareness and cognition. Brain's internal operations. The enigmatic processes of awareness and cognition unfold within the labyrinthine corridors of the brain, where billions of neurons dance in intricate patterns of electrical and chemical signaling. Manifestations of neural activity. While the mechanisms underlying awareness and cognition may elude direct observation, their manifestations are palpable in the rich tapestry of human behavior and consciousness. The invisible self, perception versus reality. Tangible bodies versus intangible consciousness. While the physical body may be visible to the naked eye, the essence of the self, consciousness, thoughts, and perceptions exist beyond the realm of tangible observation. Subjective nature of perception. Thus, the dichotomy between perception and reality underscores the subjective nature of human experience, wherein each individual perceives the world through the unique lens of consciousness. Validating reality. Evidence of consciousness. First-hand experience and subjectivity. While the essence of consciousness may elude objective measurement, the subjective experience of awareness affirms its palpable reality to the individual. Scientific evidence and brain studies. Moreover, advancements in neuroscience provide compelling evidence of the neural correlates and mechanisms underlying consciousness, further validating its reality. The self beyond thoughts. Observer versus thought. Interpreting thoughts and consciousness. In the intricate dance of cognition, the conscious self transcends the realm of mere thoughts, emerging as the silent observer who bears witness to the ebb and flow of mental phenomena. Awareness of the self. Thus, the essence of selfhood lies not in the transient flux of thoughts, but in the immutable awareness that illumines the canvas of consciousness. Locating the observer. Residing in consciousness. The concept of conscious residency. The seat of the observer, the conscious self, resides within the vast expanse of consciousness, wherein thoughts, sensations, and perceptions converge in a symphony of subjective experience. Emergence from brain's activity. While the precise localization of consciousness within the brain remains an enigma, its emergence from the complex interplay of neural networks underscores its intrinsic connection to cerebral activity. Understanding consciousness. Complex phenomenon. Consciousness as an emergent property. In the grand tapestry of existence, consciousness emerges as a wondrous enigma, a product of the brain's intricate architecture and the ineffable mystery of subjective experience. Interconnected neural networks. Within the labyrinthine corridors of the brain, billions of neurons weave intricate patterns of connectivity, giving rise to the kaleidoscopic panorama of human consciousness. Conclusion. In the labyrinth of human existence, the quest to understand one's position within the cosmos unfolds as an odyssey of introspection and inquiry. Through the lens of neuroscience, philosophy, and metaphysics, we glimpse the enigmatic nature of consciousness and the profound mystery of selfhood. Unique FAQs. Is consciousness merely a byproduct of brain activity? While consciousness arises from the complex interactions of neural networks within the brain, its exact nature and origins remain the subject of ongoing debate among scientists and philosophers. Can consciousness exist independently of the physical body? The notion of consciousness existing independent of the physical body is a topic of speculation and philosophical inquiry, with various spiritual and metaphysical perspectives offering divergent interpretations. How does consciousness relate to the concept of free will? The relationship between consciousness and free will is a perennial philosophical quandary, exploring the extent to which conscious awareness influences decision-making and personal agency. Do animals possess consciousness akin to humans? The question of animal consciousness raises profound ethical and philosophical considerations, with scientific research suggesting varying degrees of cognitive awareness and self-awareness across different species. Can artificial intelligence achieve consciousness? The prospect of artificial consciousness raises profound questions about the nature of mind and machine, with ongoing research exploring the potential for AI systems to exhibit complex cognitive abilities and self-awareness. The intricate dance of existence within our mortal vessels. Let me guide you through the wondrous terrain of our corporeal abode. Vital organs. Brain, the body's control center, orchestrating nerve impulses, thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations. It consists of the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. Heart, the rhythmic maestro of the circulatory system, pumping life-sustaining blood through its 4 chambers. Lungs, these delicate sacs oxygenate our blood while expelling carbon dioxide, ensuring our survival. Liver, a multitasking marvel, filtering toxins, producing bile, and regulating metabolism. Kidneys, these bean-shaped wonders cleanse our blood, maintaining fluid balance and electrolytes. Other noteworthy organs. Gallbladder, a storage unit for bile, aiding digestion. Pancreas, the unsung hero, regulating blood sugar levels and secreting digestive enzymes. Stomach, where food meets gastric juices, initiating digestion. Intestines, the small and large intestines absorb nutrients and eliminate waste. Organ systems, nervous system, brain, spinal cord, and nerves form this intricate network, conducting messages throughout the body. Cardiovascular system, heart, blood vessels, and 5 liters of blood ensure circulation. Respiratory system, lungs and airways exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. Digestive system, organs collaborate to convert food into energy and nutrients. Endocrine system, glands produce hormones influencing growth, metabolism, and more. Urinary system, kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra filter waste and maintain fluid balance. Reproductive systems, male and female systems ensure the perpetuation of our species. Integumentary system, skin, hair, nails, and exocrine glands protect and regulate temperature. Remember, dear traveler, you are a symphony of cells, a cosmic dance of atoms, and a vessel for consciousness.